Hello, my name is Prasenjit. I work for BMC Atrium Orchestrator product, and today I would like to talk about how we can create separate log file for BAO health information and how it can be helpful. Let's begin with what is BAO Health Stat and what information it captures. BMC Atrium Orchestrator logs health statistics every 5 minutes. This contains details about certain aspects of the peer and the grid operation, such as the state of the peers, adapters, and how the grid is performing. By default, all this information is captured in the grid.log file. Some of the information it captures are CPU and memory usage of each individual BAO peers, the number of active threads in the system, the state of adapters on the grid where it shows which adapters are running and which are in fault state, the count of number of processes which has successfully completed by the grid and how many of them failed. Again, these are just some of the information amongst the vast amount of information BAO collects from its peers. Now let's see why do we need to have a separate health.log file. As the health stat provides a glimpse of the overall state of the grid and how the grid is performing at any given point of time, this information is very helpful when troubleshooting grid performance issues. Having separate health logging allows us to retain these health information for longer duration by avoiding them being rolled over along with the grid logs. Let's do a quick demo to see how we can create separate health logging for BAO peers. Let's go to the CDP directory, go to Tomcat, Web Apps, BAO CDP, WebINF, Classes, and open the log4j.xml in a notepad. This file controls the BAO grid.log and process.log, how often they are created and how frequently they are rolled over. So over here you can see the details or the section about the process log, and this is the section about the grid log. Let's copy this complete section and paste it over here. Over here we'll make it health rolling file. This is the location where your health logs will be stored. Let's provide the file name as health.log. This parameter controls the size of your log file. So over here it will create a 4 MB file and it will keep 9 copies of those files. We need to change the conversion parameter over here. So let's replace it with this. The next part will be to scroll down to this section, the health component. Over here, copy this entry, make a new entry, and rename this with health rolling file. So this rolling file parameter, that's basically for your grid.log. So this will also keep a copy of your health stats in the grid.log file. And the health rolling file will retain a copy of the health stats in the health log we just created. Now, save the file and restart the BAO CDP service. As you can see, the service has started. Now give it a quick minute for the grid components to come up. Let's see if the grid is up. Open your web browser and go to your grid manager page. As we can see, all the components are up. Now let's go to the CDP install directory. Go to CDP, Tomcat, and logs. Now, if we scroll down, we can see that we have a health.log this time. Let's open it in Notepad++, and we can see that all the health information is now being captured in this new log file. I hope you enjoyed this video and are now familiar with how to create separate BAO health log file. Now go ahead and try it out for yourself and stay tuned for more Atrium Orchestrator videos.